Yeah, hello my friend. Finally, we are we are done with the installation, and this is our installation work. I've completed it nicely. As done here, you can see everything is working perfectly. Yes, nicely, and also beautiful. You can see the system is working well, perfectly, and everything is working nicely. The BMS is also working. It's connected and it's working as the way you show me, and everything is connected very well. As you can see here, BMS connected here nicely. This is our connection here, and this is for the battery. It's for the battery too. Here, connected nicely here. Yes, you can also see connected here, and this is the battery also connected here. Yes, nicely. Okay, so in all, everything is working well. The battery here is working perfectly. Everything is good. Customer is happy about it, and I wanted to show it to you. Customer is very happy. So customer said I should thank you very much for giving him a nice product, and everything is working perfectly. Thank you.